Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with a security key on Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with a security key on Amazon, ensure you have a supported security key. Visit the Amazon website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. Look for the Login and Security option and click on it. In the Login and Security section, locate the two-step verification setting. Click on Edit next to the two-step verification option. If prompted, re-enter your password to verify your identity. Select the option to set up a new security key. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your security key with your account. You may need to insert the key into a USB port or connect it via Bluetooth. Depending on your device, you may also need to touch the key to activate it. Once the key is detected, confirm its addition to your account. You'll receive a success message indicating that the security key has been added. Next, you can test the security key for authentication. Log out of your Amazon account and attempt to log back in. During the login process, you will be prompted for your two-step verification method. Insert or tap your security key when prompted. If successful, you will gain access to your account. For added security, keep your security key in a safe place. If you encounter any issues, refer to Amazon's help section for troubleshooting. Now your Amazon account is secured with a security key for two-step verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.